this is David, KB9EWG. Well, so far you've been following me along in my journey to get on DMR radio. I started with this beautiful TYT MDUV390 dual band VHF UHF digital and analog radio. Works great. I've been on DMR, I've been on analog. Great little radio, love it. We'll be doing a review on this sometime soon. And of course I picked up this MMDVM hotspot, the Pi Star, to get me onto DMR. I've had this thing now a short time here. Works great. It's been on DMR, really works well. One thing I didn't unbox for you was this 10,000 milliamp solar charged battery pack that will run 2 USB ports at once, and I have that for running the hotspot portable. So I take the hotspot out with me portable there. So when I'm out portable, I usually link to the hotspot to my phone, share the Wi-Fi. When I do that, you know, I'm up and running. It works good. As long as I within cell service, I got it covered. Well, I keep using my airtime and having to share my phone. Well, there's got to be a different way to do it. So, well, a package has arrived. So, shall we take a look and see what has arrived here? Of course, give it the bubble wrap. And what do we have inside? We have a Freedom Pop hotspot. This Freedom Pop hotspot will give 200 megabytes data per month for free. This way here, I'm not having to share my phone with it all the time and tie up my phone to run on the Wi-Fi. So let's take a look inside and see what we got here. Now here it is. There's the hotspot. Take a look further inside the box here. A charger and the USB cable. Further in here, and of course the necessary paperwork for the hotspot here. Let's see if I can get this thing to power up. It's powering up. See if we get a signal here. So this hotspot will allow me to run my DMR portable when I'm out and about, and I have to worry about using airtime or using battery power on my phone to run the hotspot here. So watch for an upcoming review. I will review everything here. I'll review the hotspot that I just got from Freedom Pop. I'll review the MMDVM jumbo spot or Pi Star. Of course, I'm going to review the TYT MDUV390 with the accompanying speaker mic. So watch for those upcoming reviews. Please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so the bell can notify you when I do more videos. 7-3 everybody, thank you for watching. This is David, KB9EWG. Till next time, we'll see ya.